Welcome traders, Patrick at Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we're going to talk about trading crude oil with our two most popular indicators, the Trading123 Market Delta, which this is it here on the bottom of the chart, and then our Trading123 trailing stops. Basically this blue jagged line that follows the price action up and down. So at our website we have a deal on two indicators, and these are our two most popular indicators that people buy for trading, and you save a couple $100 compared to buying them separately. So basically here's our market delta indicator. This was a downtrend that just happened, and then you got heavy buyers come in at the low here and buy it up, which is a sign of reversal, and you go long right over this red trailing stop here. So you're long just above 57. It runs up to 57, 18, 20 area, and then you get this big red candle here, so it's time to sell. So the potential profits here are, based on your trading experience, is 10 to maybe 18 ticks on two contracts. That's $200-300. And then we have a heavy sell print here. Now once these prints print on the chart and the candle closes, the colors do not change, so they're etched in stone. They do not change once the Renko bar closes. Now you can use the market delta on any type of bar type you wish, but we found through all the back testing that we did and live testing that the Renko bars work the best. And every trader's different, so that's why we offer it to trade on different bar types. So we get a sell print here. It's a dark red box. The buy prints are the dark green boxes, and it sells off not too heavily, but a nice downtrend here going into the last half hour of trading of crude oil, which was down all day. So just short, just above 57.10, and it went down to 56.80. So the potential there, as long as these candle bars are red, you don't worry about these buy prints. Candle bars are red, it's below the stop, you stay short, ride it down. Then you have some more selling right here. Then the bottom falls out, it goes down to 56.80 or so. So the potential profits are anywhere from another 15 to 25, 30 ticks on two contracts. You just made a good day's pay, and you come back and these patterns repeat each and every day, and you do the same thing over and over. It's very easy to follow these high volume buy and sell prints. This is institutional buying coming in and moving these prices, and when they move, it'll happen quickly, and you'll just have to manage your trade and manage your profits. Take your profits here and then get short, manage your trade, manage your profits. And these are highly accurate when you have a heavy sell print at the high of a trend. It's time to take your profits or get short. And this short was a nice short here, easily 20 ticks or more. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Go to our website, check out the two indicator deal, click on it's available for Ninjatrader 7 or Ninjatrader 8, and save yourself a couple $100, because the market delta alone is an expensive indicator. It's one of our best sellers, and then you can mix and match with any other indicator you wish that we have on our website. So another popular one is our fib pivots, and then our trend indicator. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. We post our trades each and every day as they happen. And like us here on YouTube. Sign up to subscribe to our trading channel with trading tips and daily videos and weekly videos, and be informed of our seminars. And also go to our website and sign up for our push alerts, which we'll be sending out a few times a week. on more trading tips, news, chart patterns, etc. Hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck with your trading.